Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. As you can see, it's snowing. It's -2 out here. It's going to be a quick one because I don't want the camera out in the snow. And yeah, so there it is. I started this 2 weeks ago for about 20 seconds. That's a cold start. I didn't put it on because I didn't think people would believe me. It's last year's petrol, and that's it. I'm just going to get on with it. Hopefully it's got enough petrol in it, and it hasn't. I don't know, we're not going to run it for a long while because look how cold it is. It just seized up. And this is my mower I use. This isn't the one at the skip, this is my one, it's smaller. I think it says dirtier as well. Faded, I should say. Sort of priming up, not very well. You can feel the air in it. So I don't know if it's got anything in it. I'll give it quite a bit of chance. Just hope you can see it. Dog's been running around. Well, I'll be running around with the dog on that. I've shot a little bit of video of that. Right, ready? First go. You can hear it starting to get a bit tight, so. And you can see I hadn't run that before because you see where the snow fell off of it. First pull, huh? Now do you get what I was on about in the skip? If you haven't seen the skip video, or one of them I got out of the skip, please watch it. That explains a lot, doesn't it? -2. I haven't got nothing to show you the temperature, I haven't got my phone with me. But yeah. There you go, -2, covered in snow. That's got to be bloody good, isn't it? Well, I just thought I'd show you the temperature quickly. -2 and snowing. Okay, so there you go. That did surprise me as well. I thought we were going to take a cut one. It is last year's petrol and it didn't prime very well. Brilliant. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I did get cold for this one. Yeah, take it easy everyone. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. And I'll see you in the next one. I know it's only a short one, but there we go. Cheers.